Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we'll continue from where we left off. This is how far we built our conditionals class. I wanted to show you something that we've oversimplified in the last couple of videos using the play button, but before that let me just go ahead and commit this code. So yeah, we added a switch statement, so that's it, and then let's commit. Now every time we want to run, we just pressing the play button, and we don't know what's happening under the hood. We're going to try and compile program manually. So I'm just going to right click on either one of these and just copy path, and I'm going to copy the absolute path. Then I'm going to open PowerShell. I'm on Windows, that's why I'm using PowerShell. I'm just going to change directory to this directory here. It's not a directory. Okay, so we're in the same directory. We have conditionals.java that we want to compile. So let's see what Java version I'm running at the moment. I'm running Java version 11, which is what I have loaded onto the project in IntelliJ as well. So that's good. Now we're ready. First things first, we type javac to compile a Java program, and conditionals.java, which is the name of the file, and then that does compilation. So if I do a dir now, there's a conditionals.class. Now in IntelliJ it does this automatically, and it puts it in the build or out. It puts the class file separately from the code, which is why you don't see them, but that's essentially what IntelliJ does. Now if I do Java conditionals, and it runs our program. So I can type a word. I'm just going to type in my name, and it says not match. And if I type, I could do that again. And if I type S, it says play. If I press Q, it should delete, regardless of which Q it is, right? So that's essentially how you can manually from command line compile your program. The process is pretty similar regardless of which computer you're using, so long as you can check which version of Java you have from Java minus version, and it says 11. You should be able to compile this program no problem.